happy Monday. Hope you've had a lovely, lovely weekend. I can't believe it's still Monday. I feel like I've been on Monday now for days. Oh, hi. Don't know if I was live then or not. Happy Monday. I feel like it's been Monday for days now. I feel like I have been... I don't know. I feel like today has lasted forever. So this morning was our monthly meetup. We were in a new venue, so we went to Whitwell. I am cursed. Like, there is a big joke about this. We've moved venues. This is our third venue now, and we've left venues frequently because it's freezing, because we sat there in our coats and it's so cold. And I hate it when we're paying for this. And then we got to Whitwell today and the boiler was broken and darling Tim was downstairs trying to fix it. So I swear I'm just bringing this around with me. So yeah, we were freezing. I'd warmed up a bit by the end, but it's just not fun. But that was ages ago. Then we've had a meeting with Amy, who's doing some work on TikTok with us. So she's capturing some content and creating some videos and stuff for us. And then I'm on my Facebook Live, and then I've got a hospital appointment at 3. So it's all just, today feels like it's going on forever. Hi Faye! Have I said morning? Is that why you're saying afternoon? We missed you this morning. I nearly said you're skiing, but you're not skiing yet, are you? You're skiing very soon. Right, so today's video that I have to rattle through because I've got to leave for the hospital in about 50 minutes is about going live on social media, ironically. And the stuff around how to connect with your audience. Because live videos now are becoming increasingly popular. They're a really good way for businesses and influencers to connect with their audience. Hi Katie, we missed you too. I like that both of you watching the Facebook Live did not come to the thing this morning. So that's good. I'm getting to see all of you. Oh, except Karen did. Hi Karen. You alright? So yeah, this idea of you can connect with your audience in real time, as I'm doing now. Hello Katie Beth. Well, there's loads of you on in the afternoon. Maybe I should be doing afternoon videos. And it lets you it creates a bit more of an authentic, kind of engaging way to interact with your audience, with the people that you want to be able to talk to. It allows you to showcase your products if you want to, or share behind the scene moments. So every so often you'll see that I move out of my way, and you can see Jade is behind my scenes, like at this point. She's not even waving at me today. She's cross at me today because I keep changing my mind about things. Oh, hi Elizabeth. Oh, every month we've got a monthly meetup session where it's live. I don't know if you're local to us. I can't remember. But we've got live sessions where we hang out. Karen, tell Carl to go away. Carl knows how loud I am. It's completely fine. And hi Ruth. I ain't seen you for ages. Darling Ruth, I only message Ruth when I want one of her vouchers for Caffè Nero, which I do quite frequently, don't I, my love? But thank you. I'm always so grateful. So yeah, why go live? Lots of the women I work with know that they want to do videos, but don't do them because they watch them back too many times, that they're not perfect. And live videos is one way around that, because I do live videos every week. I never watch them back. I hate the sound of my voice. I hate how I look. Like, this is a really normal thing for all of us to feel. Live videos is the one thing that stops you from being able to kind of succumb to that perfectionist part of you. And it's a really important thing, because it's in real time. You can't go back and make mistakes. You just get to be yourself on camera and let people like you as you are or not. And both of those things are completely fine. But in terms of why go live, like this real-time interaction, so the ability to engage with you instantly. If I have something that I want to tell you all, recording a video and putting it out later is like, that's not real time. If I've got something I'm excited to share, I can jump on and share it with you right now as I'm thinking about it. And it creates that two-way conversation. You're able to talk to me as I'm able to talk to you. Yeah, Elizabeth, I think it might have been a bit far for you to come for our monthly meetup today, although we would have loved to have you. Perhaps we can come to Italy and do one, because that sounds like way nicer than being in freezing cold Chesterfield. So yeah, the real-time interaction stuff is really important. Viewers can comment and ask questions and share feedback while you're there. And that's a really, really good reason to do live videos. Why I like doing it the best when people are on chatting to me along the way. It increases your engagement. Like, live videos generally tend to generate more engagement compared to normal posts. So videos generally have higher engagement than just static posts, but live videos have more than that. And lots of the social media platforms prioritize live content. So Instagram, Facebook, TikTok all prioritize live stuff. So you're more likely to see it in your feed if somebody's doing live work. And often you also get a notification if someone that you follow is going live as well, whereas you don't get that when they just publish a video. Which makes you more likely to reach a wider audience. Oh, Elizabeth is my new very favourite person. We'll have space in France for a get-together in spring, early summer. Yes, please. Let's get that organised. Anywhere warm. Just please move me somewhere warmer than this, because I'm very bored of being cold right now. Another good reason to have live videos, authenticity. You can't hide behind perfect filters or camera lighting, or everything's not set up to be designed to be perfect or fake. It's authentic, it's real. You can do live videos strolling down the street. You get to be able to put across who you actually are, and people enjoy watching them because of that. People enjoy watching live videos because they feel unpolished and real. And so whether you're doing something like a Q&A session, whether you're giving a live demo, whether you're just chatting to your audience, going live lets your audience see like the human side behind your brand, and all of that is so important when we talk about building know, like, trust, which is my next point actually. It all starts with people getting to know you and who you are. So my fourth reason to go live was around building trust. Like, seeing you speak and interact in real life creates a trust that doesn't exist from a pre-recorded, polished video. Lots of people have joined my members club, for example, because they've seen me live and they understand like how I sound, what I'll be like to work with. They understand they might have asked questions on something like this before they came in to work with me. And people who come to my networking events have often seen me live, so they already know like what I am going to be like. And in terms of building trust, that is such a massive barrier to be able to overcome more easily. And it allows people to feel like they're part of your journey. So I just saw Karen this morning. Some of the other women didn't come but can talk about it. It's like it's all part of what I've been doing that day, and it's really fab. So, tips for a good live video, generally, and these are general, like, let's remember social media changes all the time. The stuff that I think works really well one week then just doesn't, and there's no rhyme or reason that we can understand for it. However, generally, good tips are things like promote your video in advance. So these ones are regular weekly lives. I'm not creating anything new. It's not something that I want and need loads of people to be on for. Lots of people watch these on replay. These just go out, but they're always promoted in advance. So they're always scheduled in the Facebook group. They are communicated to the pro members. So if you're part of the membership club, you'll get a message sort of saying where I am and when. But let your audience know you're going live. So if it's a big live, like, you can promote a teaser about it in advance, or just set the reminders on social, and this helps you build the audience that are going to be there to watch you. Another really good tip. How many times did ours break? It's like, test your equipment. Before you go live, make sure everything's working. We used StreamYard for the longest time, and every freaking time I opened StreamYard, it had a disconnect between itself and our YouTube channel, and every time I couldn't go live until I fixed that. But I ain't got time to be faffing around waiting for that. If I'm coming live, I'm usually skidding to my desk 2 minutes before it's time. I didn't have time to deal with any of that. So test your stuff first. And we eventually stopped using StreamYard because of it, because it was just so unreliable. Poor video or audio quality can result in you losing a lot of people. Again, for a live like this, that doesn't matter too much to me. But if I'm doing a big challenge live, or I'm doing something like silly, it might be that I'll put my ring light on and make my lighting better. I'll have a separate microphone, especially if I'm recording courses, etc. I'll have a separate microphone. Oh, I'm glad, Elizabeth. The live tips are helpful. Good, I do one of these videos every week with different tips about different things, so you never quite know what I'm going to talk about. Mostly because I never quite know what I'm going to talk about. Although my sister does promote it sometimes in advance, I think. The third tip for successful live videos: engage with your audience as people are talking to you. Like, talk back. It's a strange thing because it interrupts the flow of the video, but it brings the audience into the conversation. It brings you guys in, and depending what your business is, for me that's really important. Like, we're a whole little like family group here, and bringing people in is like, that's really important to me. And generally people like it. It like shows that you're valued. It encourages conversation. There's a lot to be said for interrupting my flow to talk to you. I would much rather be talking to you than worrying about what the heck I'm saying. Tip 4, keep it short and sweet. These live videos used to be up to half an hour. We've knocked it right down to 15 minutes. Sometimes they're not even that. Live videos can often be long. You run out of viewers' attention, or they just start watching you but they need to go somewhere else. Like, so many people watch me on the hop. Focus on how you can deliver value in a really concise way. So I always have my little notes, my little list of what I'm talking to you about, and I just talk around whatever my point is. This could be like shortened down into just bullet notes, so it keeps it concise for me, and I can give you content and information as quickly as I can. And then the last one is have a clear goal. What is the goal for this live? Like, what is the reason you're doing it? So whether you're doing a product launch, whether you're sharing tips, whether you're hosting a live interview, make sure you've got a clear plan for the session so that it's informative and it's enjoyable for the people watching it. My goal on a video like this is to engage with you and give you some tips. Like, that is my clear goal. I know what my tips are, and that's what I've done. Like, done, job done, 12 minutes and 6 seconds. And that was my plan for today. What comes after that is often I'll get messages, or people will reply on here. Hi Jenna, you alright my darling? Oh, I'm trying to like your comment, but it's all breaking. Ugh. I don't know what I'm saying. See, have a plan. Oh, now Jay's breaking everything. I think we're done. I think this was a very clear sign that I'd got to the end of the live and we're finished. Yeah, I knew what I wanted to do, communicate some tips and talk to you. Like, that's what my goal is for these live sessions. Sorry, I totally lost my thread and I've no idea what I was saying before. I forgot. So, oh yeah, people watch it back on replay. People will message me with any questions that they've had about it, or they will comment on the video itself and I'll go back and answer them. So I still keep reaching people after the video is finished. Okay, hope you have a fabulous Monday. If you have any questions, drop them on as a message. And I am back on, I don't know, let's have a quick look. Monday, I think. Yep, I'm back on Monday in here at 9:15, so it's an early one on Monday, and then me and Jade have a whole day in our office to ourselves, which hasn't happened for freaking ages. So I'm going to get my stuff organised and have a plan for her. Aren't I?
Yep.
Yeah. Alright ladies, have a brilliant rest of the week. If you want anything, you know where I am. Feel free to drop me a message if I can help you. Alright, see you soon.